Hindi na po nakapagpigil ang defense team ni BP Sara, itong si Atty. Ferrer. Isinumbong na po yung ginagawang pambabastos nga po nito ni Atty. Kapunan dahil parang ang nangyayari nga po, tinuturuan na po yung witness kung paano po sagutin yung tanong po ng defense team. Which is maling-mali po yun bilang isang abogado po. Dapat hinahayaan lang nilang sagutin po ng witness sa abot ng kanyang kaalaman yung tinatanong na sa kanya sa pagdating nga po sa cross-examine. Pero dito sa nangyayari nga dahil nga nasusukol nga po yung prosecution dahil nga yung mga sagot ng witness hindi po pumapabor sa kanila, bagkos pumapabor pa po kay BP Sara. Kaya ini-interrupt po ni Atty. Kapunan to the point na parang nababastusan na po yung defense team ni BP Sara sa kanyang pinagagawa. Kaya ang nangyari isinumbong na po directly kay Senator Chis Escudero, itong si Lorna Kapunan. At yun nga pinagalitan po at ni-remind nga po na dapat umayon siya kung ano po yung nasasaad doon sa impeachment. So ito, panoorin po natin kung paano po isinumbong po ng defense team ni BP Sara, itong si Atty. Kapunan, at ano yung naging aksyon ni Chis Escudero. So ito, panoorin po natin. Pero syempre, bago ang lahat, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe o nakafollow sa Makapili TV, baka naman pwedeng pakipindot po muna yung subscribe and follow button at the same time palike na rin po ng video. Wala naman pong bayad dyan. Kaya pindot na. So ito, panoorin po natin.
Objection, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Your Honor, please. This counsel is trying to elicit from this witness an opinion that indirectly runs counter to the express provision in the joint circular of 2015, Your Honor, that all of this, everything she has said, all the paragraphs that she has read precisely, Your Honor, if I can, I will state this later, Your Honor, but precisely, Your Honor, the joint circular, if we are to read the rationale for the joint circular, was precisely in recognition of the fact that this circular and several other circulars of intelligence and confidential government agencies are inaccurate and inconsistent with each other. Thus, the rationale of Joint Circular 2015 was precisely to make it one whole joint circular of 5
Your Honor,
agencies.
Yan po yung kini-question ng abogado po ni BP Sara, yung kanyang defense team, na bakit kailangan sabihin ni Atty. Kapunan yung joint circular na yan. Alam po yan ng COA. Kasi sila mismo yung gumagamit niyan. Yan yung nagiging batayan nila sa kanilang pagli-liquidate, kung paano i-liquidate yung mga budget na ipinapasa sa kanila ng mayroong mga confidential funds. Pero dito parang ginangyayari rito tinuturuan, ginaguide, di ba, ni Atty. Kapunan, yung taga-COA, para sagutin kung paano babarahin yung mga tanong ng defense team. So yun yung nakita ni Atty. Ferrer na sumusobra na itong si Atty. Kapunan to the point na parang nakakabastos na sa kanyang ginagawang pag-i-interrupt.
Agencies on intelligence and confidential funds.
I
She is
understand the
now
point of
saying, Your
Attorney
Honor,
Kapunan. However, the question is quite simple for the witness. Although this may have indeed been impliedly repealed by the Joint Memorandum Circular, are the concepts stated herein still applicable today, and are you still using it? To abbreviate the proceedings, Ms. Eileen, yung kawalan ba ng resibo na sinasabing okay lang sa circular na to, okay pa rin ba hanggang ngayon sa Joint Memorandum Circular o hindi na?
Under po kasi sa Joint Memorandum Circular, under 6.2.3.7, we can request po other documents necessary for the proper evaluation po nung under 6.2.7 po.
I
Other
agree.
documents necessary in the audit po.
You can request for other documents, but the Joint Circular does not say that you should demand and ask for receipts.
Opo.
Wala dun yun.
Your Honor,
Yes, Attorney
just a
Christine?
quick manifestation, Your Honor.
You may proceed, Attorney Christine.
Your Honor, can the counsel for the prosecutors be reminded not to make an argument, not to argue for the witness, Your Honor, because she's citing circular, she's citing laws, which is not allowed during cross-examination, and that is indirectly teaching her witness how to answer my question. So, please, Your Honor, can the court direct the counsel not to make these arguments in court because these are not allowed under the rules of court, Your Honor. This is not a place where we are, this is not the time where we are. So,
Diba? Imposibleng hindi alam yan ni Kapunan. Diyan na tumanda yan sa korte. Alam niya yan, pero binabastos nga niya yan dahil nga kailangan niya i-interrupt yung proceeding dahil nga nahuhuli na yung kanilang witness. Siyempre, pag nahuli yung witness, ang putok niyan sa prosecution. So kung yung sablay yung witness nila, sa kanilang nanggaling yan eh. Pag sumablay yung witness nila, sasablay din sila. Kaya ang ginagawa ni Atty. Lorna Kapunan, tinuturuan na yung witness para barahin yung sagot dito sa depensa.
we are supposed to expound or to state our oral arguments in this case. So,
Your
please,
Honor,
Your
please.
Honor.
This
If I
is
may.
this is part of the seeming generational divide tension that the court is trying to avoid. So let's leave it at that, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. I was just going to say that I will accept.
Let's leave it
I
at that.
accept what she said, Your Honor.
Thank you,
I
thank
will
you.
refrain from lecturing her, Your Honor.
No,
Counsel, please.
that's all out of order, Your
Counsel,
Honor.
please.
Out of order na eh.
Kindly proceed, Attorney Christine.
O, di ba? Nahuli na si Kapunan eh, pero di ba gumagawa pa rin siya na eksena rito para lang ma-interrupt. Kasi mahuhuli na yung witness eh. Para hindi mahuli yung witness, makapag-isip pa ng konting isasagot. Kumbaga parang binibigyan na ng warning ni Kapunan itong witness na ibahin mo yung sagot mo, binigyan na kita ng pagkakataon makapag-isip pa ng pwede mong isagot. Huwag mong sasagutin directly yung tanong ng depensa. So yun yung ginagawa dito ni Atty. Kapunan. Kaya nga rito hindi nakapagpigil si Atty. Christine Ferrer. Nagsumbong na kay Escudero. Kayo nga lang medyo malambot yung pagtungo nga rito ni Escudero. Dapat to medyo mahigpit. Kung ito nagkataon si Miriam Defensor Santiago, yung tumayong presiding officer, malamang pinakontempt niya tong si Kapunan para medyo mahimasmasan kasi nga medyo sumusobra na. Gawa na siguro sa kanyang edad. So, sa tingin po ba ninyo na tama lang ba yung ginawa ng defense team ni BP Sara na magsumbong na kay Escudero sa ginagawang panggugulo nito ni Atty. Lorna Kapunan? So, pag-comment down below na lang po. Hanggang dito lang po muna. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Ingat po kayo lagi. God bless.